Did you know that there are 20,000 different species of bees?
They are the number one pollinator, helping 90% of all plants in the entire world by carrying pollen from plant to plant so that they can reproduce.
In direct correlation to humans, we use honeybees to pollinate our crops and, of course, to eat the honey that they produce.
So, what's all this buzz around bees? Well, to put things harshly, they are all dying. In 2016, over the course of a year, the United States lost 46% of all managed beehives. On top of this, world population is growing extremely fast, and the demand for crops that bees are used to pollinate have gone up by 300% worldwide. The big killers for bees are parasites and diseases, and pesticides. These two factors kill bees and in turn damage on the ecosystem. So maybe you're wondering, what can we do?
Simple things that you can do is to plant bee-friendly flowers, such as lavender, white clover, purple toadflax, and thyme. Having a diverse selection of flowers allows bees to get a multitude of nutrition from the flowers that you plant.
Now on to trees. As I'm sure you all know, trees are amazing. They provide oxygen we need to breathe, the food we need to eat, and other important things like soil erosion prevention, medicine, shelter, and CO2 absorption.
They're an important natural resource for humans and animals alike. They increase biodiversity and act as a home for many animals like birds and chipmunks.
Unfortunately, trees are being used and cut down at an unprecedented and unsustainable rate. Between 1990 and 2016, the entire world lost 1.3 million square kilometers of forest, and in the last 50 years, over 17% of the Amazon rainforest has been destroyed.
So what can we do to help? Easy things that every one of you can do. Use less paper.
2. Recycle paper.
Eat a salad occasionally.
4. Plant a tree.
Now, onto the seas. Believe it or not, the entire ocean is responsible for 70% of the oxygen that is produced on Earth.
Not only does it produce the gas we need to live, it is also the home to a multitude of creatures, supports livelihood of millions of people, and controls the Earth's climate. Sadly, the ocean is being poisoned and has been for decades. 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean each year, killing turtles, fish, seals, and other aquatic animals. On top of that, oil spills, oil digging, chemical waste, and human activity are all affecting the seas.
So what can we do? Basic things that you can do are to use less plastic products,
Especially single-use products,
don't litter,
and conserve fresh water. It might seem all too much, like there's so much to do and so little that you can accomplish. But an African proverb says it best: if you think you're too small to make a difference, you haven't spent a night with a mosquito.
There are people and charities all over the world using their voice and making a difference.
Like the Arbor Day Foundation that is planting one tree for every dollar donated.
And the Oceana charity, cleaning the seas and protecting marine life.
Remember, everyone counts.
And every small act that you make to help the environment matters.
It matters to previous generations,
Our generation.
And future generations. Thank you.